Hi, my name is Brad Lafortune, and I'm a mask artist. Through mask programs, I offer a variety of ways to connect with Métis culture and learn about Métis culture and history, whether it's learning about the history itself of the Métis people in Canada, or whether it's doing that through an immersion of dance, which is the traditional Métis dance called jigging. Through the workshops and performances, people can really expect to learn a lot more about Métis culture, about Métis history, and then Métis dance itself. So whether it's about the fur trade, how the Métis people came to be, the music, the dance, the different steps, the influence that Métis culture has from First Nations history as well as from European history, and really learn more about who the Métis are and how they came to be. What I love about sharing my culture and my knowledge in dance is seeing people really just have fun. Not only learning about my history and my culture and Métis culture and history, but seeing them enjoy it, seeing them participate and dance and have fun while still learning. And just really seeing people engage with my culture.